Cycling, green, nice one, Tiago. Now, if our sea lions can be trained to do so, so can everyone. And with that, everyone, a round of applause for yourself and our sea lion, please. Alright, before we proceed on to the next behavior, again, for those at the back, are we going to use the usage of umbrellas? I think the people in the front can't hear you. Are we using umbrellas? Alright, so look to the corner. Not yet, no splashing yet. Now this is what we know as the porpoising. Together as a team, as a big Mark 5 family. One more time, this is Tiago.